In an office, it is the job of those in charge to guide others and explain what action should be taken. Clear instructions are important because they help colleagues understand what to do, when to do it, and how tasks should be completed. If instructions are unclear or incomplete, mistakes can occur, and work may be delayed or need to be corrected. The way instructions are expressed can make a difference to how they are received. Very direct commands such as "do this" or "finish that" may sound too strong and can create an uncomfortable atmosphere. Polite and encouraging instructions are often used to give direction while keeping communication respectful. For example, phrases like, "Can you take care of this?" or "Please try working on this" sound softer while still giving clear direction. Good instructions are also specific. They explain the required action and may add encouragement. Saying, "I'd appreciate your help with this," or "I'd be glad if you could complete this," communicates what is needed respectfully without sounding like a command. With clear, polite instructions, colleagues understand expectations, feel respected, and are more likely to complete tasks accurately and on time.